coming out. We appreciate you being out here. We are, in fact, the Electric Mayhem Band.
That's right.
If I might introduce Mr. Sergeant Floyd Pepper on bass guitar.
What's up? What's up?
On lead guitar, the ethereal Lyde Janice.
Oh, wow, like your auras are all like glowing.
On sax, Zoot.
Yeah, Zoot.
And on trumpet, Lips.
Yeah, Lips.
And that's about it. That's all.
Yeah, nobody else.
What? What are you talking about? Ladies and gentlemen. What about Animal? That's Animal.
Yeah.
Well, we appreciate you coming out and watching. We hope you enjoyed the shows that you saw. We got one more song we'd like to do for you, if we may. It's from our show and in fact, our album. Ain't that right?
That's right. That's right, Teeth.
All right, here we go. Hit it, Animal.
Hit me like a hurricane, electricity through my brain. Got a feeling that I can't explain. I only know it's true. We were looking for harmony, little place for you and me. It's a ride with destiny, and it brought me back to you. We're living wild and free, that's how it's meant to be. We're gonna do it for the band. We're gonna do it for the mayhem.
All right, animal, time for a walk.